Namaskar. Today in this video we will discuss normality. Actually, normality depends upon so many other things like number of gram equivalents, equivalent weight, acidity, basicity, etc. So it is a little bit you can say tedious topic, but let us study in a simple way the normality. Normality is expressed by capital N and it may be defined as the number of gram equivalents of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. And mathematically, normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution. But volume of solution is generally taken in ml. Volume of solution is generally taken in ml. So we will use the term 1000. By this 1000, now the volume in ml has been changed into liters. So this is the expression for normality. But the question is, what is number of gram equivalents of solute? So let us study number of gram equivalents of solute. It is equal to given weight of solute. It is equal to given weight of solute divided by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of solute. What is number of gram equivalent of solute? Given weight of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute. It is just like we calculate number of moles. Number of moles can be calculated by given weight divided by molecular weight. Number of moles are calculated by given weight divided by molecular weight. But number of gram equivalents are calculated by given weight divided by equivalent weight. And now the question is, what is equivalent weight? What is equivalent weight? Actually, equivalent weight can be defined with the help of Faraday's law, and according to that Faraday's law, equivalent weight of the substance is that weight which get deposited at the electrode when 1 mole of electrons are transferred. When 1 mole of electrons are transferred. But we can't calculate the number of moles of electrons, so we can say that when 96500 coulomb electricity is passed, when 96500 coulomb electricity is passed, then 1 mole of electrons are transferred, and at that time the amount of substance deposited at the electrode is known as the equivalent weight. And mathematically, equivalent weight for different substances can be calculated as follows. For acids, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by basicity. For acids, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by basis T. And now what is basis T? Basis T is equal to number of H positive ions donated by that acid. Number of H positive ions donated by that acid. And similarly for bases, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by acidity. And what is acidity of a base? It is equal to number of OH negative ions donated by the base when it gets dissociated. So from this acidity or basicity, equivalent weights are calculated. From equivalent weights we can calculate number of gram equivalents of solute, and from this number of gram equivalent weight of solute we can calculate normality. So normality depends upon so many other things, but if number of gram equivalents of the solute are given, then by putting that value into this expression we can easily calculate the normality. So this is what normality is all about. Thank you very much.